Malavali, Assistant Professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. Parse tree is also known as the deviation tree. It is a tree-like representation that shows how a string is generated from the grammar. We can also say that this parse tree is used to generate the input string into a useful grammar. And during a parsing, the string is deviated from the start symbol and which serve as a root for the parse tree. The parse tree are visual representation of the symbol of the strings which is either terminal or non-terminal. The following precedents are the deepest for subtree. For given example, S equal to A is B. Here we take the star symbol as S and we have drawn A. For A it is given as B. Here we have given a grammar. For this grammar, we have generated a parse tree. The pastry is a vital because it translates the flat, sequential code into a hierarchical structure, which is easy to understand and analyze and to execute. These three are easily understandable for a normal person. Here we say why pastry is important. The main purpose we say that it specifies, it shows the structure of a string. It is used for mainly for syntax validations and it preserves the order and the preference. Then it detects the ambiguity. If in a grammar we can easily identify whether the grammar is ambiguous or not. It enables the code execution. And both the parser and the compiler transfers the hierarchical tree and generate a machine so that it executes the scripts and mainly used for the compiler for the syntax analysis. The root node are always the start symbol of the grammar. The internal node are represented by non-terminal symbols and the leaf node are represented by the terminal symbols, and the parent-child relationship are specified by the children's order from the left to right and must be valid production rule in the grammar, and reading the left node from left to right gives the generated strings. Here we are going to see an example for leftmost deviation, rightmost deviation, and the parse tree. As the string given with B, starting as B, our start symbol will be S. So we have to take the two options are AB and BA. Here the start symbol is B, so we are taking BA. Next for A, there are three options A, AS, B, AA. The next symbol is A, so we are taking AS. And next symbol is A, so we are taking AB for S, and for B we are taking ABB. And next symbol is B, so we are taking for B we are taking small b. For capital B we are taking BS. As per the string, when we need B again, so we are taking BS. As per string, we need B, so we are taking BA. And for last is RA. So for A, capital A, we are choosing A. This is the leftmost deviation. Here we'll move from the left and change all the terminals with the non-terminals. Next is the rightmost deviation. From the word itself, here we are going to do the from the right part. So as the string given is B, we are taking the start symbol as S. For that we are giving B. Next we are taking for A, we are choosing AS, and for S, we are choosing AB as per the string. Then for B, I'm taking ABB. In the leftmost deviation, we move from the left, so we concentrate on the next B. Here, as it is the rightmost deviation, we need to move from the right part. So I'm taking the last B. As per the string given, we need B, so we are replacing it with PS. Next for S, I'm taking AB, and for B, I'm taking PS, and for S, I'm choosing BA, and for A, I'm choosing A. Here we have a B in the middle. So for that B, we are replacing it with a small b. Here we got the string which need to be generated in the rightmost deviations. For a string given, here we are going to generate the parse tree. This is the parse tree for the leftmost deviation. First we take S, then for S we are taking BA, for A we are taking AS, and for S we are taking AB, and for AB we are taking ABB. For one B we are replacing with an B. For another B we are taking BS, and for BS, we are choosing B, and for B is BS, and for BS is, sorry, for S is BA, and for A is A. Thus, the string is generated from the leftmost deviation. Simultaneously, we can generate the parse tree for the rightmost deviations.